Hey there, I'm Candid. I'm here to prove that surviving a 4-month road trip with a 10-year-old dog, a car that's older than him, and a man who refuses to use the aircon is a legitimate talent. Earlier this year, my fiance and I did something wildly impractical and life-changing. We called it adventure, but our family called it quote-unquote a bad idea. Either way, it was one of my best stories yet. We overlanded through southern Philippines, tried teaching our hydrophobic dog to swim, played with 5-year-olds. We weren't chasing anything, just moving, being.
Наша красотулька.
We did things our way. Two fools in love. So no, I can't sing or dance, but I can love, laugh through a breakdown, and let go. And I'd say that counts for something.